Hello and welcome to another edition of my LEGO miniature gun series. Today, we'll be covering the RPK or Ruchnoi Pulemyot Kalashnikova machine gun. Basically, this 46-piece creation is a squad automatic weapon derivative of the AK-47 assault rifle, which means that the barrel is typically longer. Here, the buybox consists of a lamp holder piece with a stud and a 1x8 tray on each side. The stock, which consists of angular roof tiles by 3 spaces wide, is typically bigger than the assault rifle version. I'm not sure as to why, but I think it's made to balance out the weight of the heavy barrel. Finally, and as an added bonus, seen to improve the role as a squad automatic weapon, I've decided to give this weapon a quad stack magazine, containing about 50% more rounds than your average magazine. It's quite simple to make. All it takes is double the width of a regular magazine with a 1x2 center knob to go on top. Who says you can't teach an old dog new tricks? Any master of this machine gun can easily teach their enemies to play dead. So with that said, let's start shooting. Let me know in the comments section or on my Facebook page in the description below what you'd like to see next, and I may consider your option. And as always, I'd like to thank you for watching this feature presentation, and until next time, cheers.